So Enzene's FCCM platform is fully connected continuous manufacturing platform. It is truly connected. When people generally talk about continuous manufacturing, they are talking about one or two steps that are intensified. So perfusion bioreactor that would be connected with a capture step. What sets us apart is that our platform is connected all the way down from perfusion bioreactor to the drug substance manufacturing. So entire upstream and downstream is truly connected without any hold tanks. The key feature with the FCCM is the high yields. So Enzene's goal has always been to reduce the cost of manufacturing so as to increase the access to affordable quality medicines. With the EnzeneX 1.0, we are targeting or we are getting 10 to 15 kg of material per batch, and the COGS are down to $100 per gram. So the platform remains the same between EnzeneX 1.0 and EnzeneX 2.0. What we are targeting is high titer clones. Therefore, we are targeting 40 kg yield per 1000 liter batch. With this, what will happen is that the COGS will go down even more to $40 per gram of MAB. Essentially, with EnzeneX 1.0, we have been able to get the COGS down to less than 100, and with EnzeneX 2.0, we would drive the costs down even further to $40 per gram. Another thing that we are targeting with EnzeneX 2.0 is the implementation of PAT. So as the process evolves, we would have implemented the PAT all the way down to the entire process. We would have 2 lines for fully connected continuous manufacturing platform that we can offer for our clients. We would also be able to take fed batches if required, and we would have supporting functions such as quality control labs and with the oversight of quality. Another thing is that we would have the site operational in first quarter of 2025. So we have converted fed batch processes into connected continuous manufacturing platforms for MABs, non-MABs, bispecific, trispecific molecules as well, biosimilars and novel biologics as well. We have launched ourselves 3 MABs using this platform, and they are commercially available in India. The challenges were many. When you are trying to connect upstream with downstream with all the steps truly connected, it is very difficult. In fact, we faced several failures, 25 failures in GMP before we were able to successfully manufacture a batch. We learnt a lot through those 25 failures, and now we are able to manufacture with this connected continuous manufacturing platform with great success. As far as scale-up goes, because your productivities are really high, the scale-ups are not as high as compared to the fed batch process. So in the perfusion process, we are going from as little as scale up from 2 liters to 32 liters or up to 500 liters, and now with Enzene 2.0, we are trying to scale it up to 1000 liters, which will produce material enough for comparable to 10,000 liter fed batch.